Yo, hey guys, this is Lal here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As a technology lover, I always wanted to discover new and new gadgets. After trying out fitness bands, I felt I wanted something with new features. Not just new, but with extraordinary features. Boom! Came the smartwatch. A smartwatch has all the features of a fitness band and most of the features of a smartphone. This is smarter than a smartphone. I am very excited to unbox this wonderful product from Samsung. It's the Samsung Galaxy Watch, the 46mm version with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox it. Wow, the packing is so cool. Galaxy Watch, 46mm Bluetooth. So it supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS as I told you before. It has a long battery life, auto fitness and wellness tracking. It supports 39 plus workouts and it has a water resistant up to 50 meters. So now let's open it. Yeah, this is the watch. This is so cool. Now let's see what else is inside. Whoa, wireless charger, I think. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so this is a micro USB port. So here it will go, and then you can place your watch just like this, and charging is started. So what else is inside this area? Oh, a very big user manual. Let's just open it and see. Wow. So there are many things here. Let's see what we have here. Oh, an extra strap. Let's see it. I think the smaller size. Yeah, S. So here it is the bigger size in the watch. What is this? Oh, charger is also given. Nice. So that is all inside the box. The watch looks stylish and I can't wait to pair it up. Stay tuned for my next video and remember to use a smart gadget. You should be smarter than it. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.